Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a resale certificate in Texas. First, understand that a Texas resale certificate enables businesses to buy goods without paying sales tax, provided those goods are intended for resale. This is a key benefit for many businesses. To qualify, you must already possess a valid Texas sales and use tax permit. This permit is the foundational requirement before you can even consider applying for the resale certificate itself. It's a straightforward process once you have your permit. Before anything else, ensure you have your Texas sales and use tax permit. This permit is issued by the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts. It's important to note that the resale certificate isn't a separate application form you fill out and send in. Instead, once you have your sales tax permit, you'll issue the certificate directly to your suppliers. This process simplifies how you manage tax-exempt purchases for your business inventory.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable business insights. On another note, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your home spotless effortlessly. You can find the link for this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
When you're ready to make a tax-exempt purchase, you'll use Form 01-339, the Texas Sales and Use Tax Resale Certificate. This form needs to be filled out accurately with your business details, including your Texas sales and use tax permit number. Once completed, you'll present this form to your suppliers at the time of purchase. This action certifies that the items you are buying are for resale and are therefore exempt from sales tax. It's crucial to remember that the resale certificate is strictly for items you intend to resell. Never use it for personal purchases or items for your business's own consumption. Misusing this certificate can lead to significant penalties and the obligation to pay back taxes. Always maintain meticulous records of every tax-exempt purchase you make and every certificate you issue. This diligence will help ensure compliance and avoid future issues with the Texas Comptroller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.